Mapping Tonal Harmony Pro is an extensive and interactive tool that you can use to become a better musician. To make sure you get the most out of Mapping Tonal Harmony Pro, please select the option that best suits your needs and skill level. Traditional tonal harmony for the beginner, intermediate user. If you want to start learning or are taking a course in tonal harmony or AP music theory, this is the level for you. Traditional tonal harmony for the advanced or teacher. If you're teaching harmony and you want to create worksheets, explain harmonic concepts, or you want to go deeper into tonality, functions, chord scales, etc., this is the level for you. Jazz for the beginner, intermediate user. If you're learning how to play jazz and improvisation and you want to study and practice, this is the level for you. Jazz for the advanced user or teacher. If you're teaching jazz harmony or you're a jazz musician and you want to practice, study chord scales, analyze complete jazz standards, or create song charts, this is the level for you. Pop, rock, or contemporary for the beginner to intermediate user. If you're beginning to play or write songs and you want to see what's possible or which chords work in certain keys and why, this is the level for you. Pop, rock, or contemporary for the advanced user or teacher. If you're teaching pop rock harmony, or you're a songwriter looking to improve your writing skills and explore advanced harmonic concepts, this is the level for you. Alright, so there you have it. All that's left to do is choose the option that best fits your needs and let us show you how Mapping Tonal Harmony Pro can take your understanding of music to the next level.